More or less, sure na yan. Lahat naman kaming Duterte Black, no? Kaming pito, pinupost na namin na siya ang magiging Blue Ribbon Committee Chairman. Suportado po namin siya.
Pero kung sakali, sir, kayo, ano po ang committee na gusto ninyo?
Wala po akong hinihingi, no? At wala rin namang ino-offer sa akin. I just presume na mananatili ako being an incumbent senator. Mangyari dyan is yung equity of the incumbent should prevail. So yung aking committee chairmanship noon pa, nahawak ko yung public order and dangerous drugs ay mananatili yun sa akin. That's my understanding. Ha?
Sabi kanina sa aming mobile journalist po na si Mary Mon Reyes, no, na one of the first things I guess you will do pagdating dun sa Senado, no, ay tatanungin kung yung jurisdiction, may jurisdiction nga ba itong 20th Congress, no, dun sa impeachment case laban kay VP Sara Duterte. So just in case kunwari lang po ay mapagbotohan or kung ano man yung mangyari, no, and it will come out na meron nga pong jurisdiction, ipupush nyo po ba ulit yung motion to dismiss?
Well, hindi ko pa alam kung I'm going to do that. Basta one thing is, sure is that I will respect the mandate of the majority. Kapag sinabi ng majority na magko-crossover, isunod ako. Pag sinabi ng majority na hindi po pwede, walang jurisdiction ng 28th Congress as far as the impeachment of Vice President Sara is concerned, then respetuhin ko rin. Basta sa akin lang, bago tayo mag-reconvene yung impeachment court, ay dapat na-establish natin yung issue about jurisdiction para walang complication in the future. So, klarin muna natin. Kaya nga sabi ko, I will raise that issue in the Senate plenary. Not in the impeachment court, ha? Sa plenaryo ng Senado. Doon ko yan i-raise yung issue na yan. Para we'll settle yung issue on jurisdiction bago tayo mag-reconvene as an impeachment court.
Your thoughts po on Kiko Bam joining majority?
Well, they are welcome. They are welcome. Wala man akong problema. Hindi naman mga masasamang tao yan sila. Mas mabait pa ngayon sa akin, mas masama pa siguro ako sa kanila. Wala naman tayong problema dyan. Basta I am joining the majority not because of Kiko or Bam. I am joining the majority because of the leadership of Senator Chis Escudero. So that's the bottom line there. So just in case, pareho kaming nagustuhan namin yung liderato ni Senate President Chis Escudero, then well and good. Magkakaintindihan kami na pareho pala kami ng gusto ng leadership. So maganda po. Yung aming mga stand naman bilang PDP laban at sila naman bilang mga partido
LP.
nila. Yung
LP po.
Bilang LP ay hindi naman yan na magmamatter kung nandiyan kami sa majority. Everything naman ay napapag-usapan.
So, sir, does it mean na, kumbaga, sure win na etong si SP Chis? I mean, si Senator Chis Escudero, mariretain talaga as Senate President? Sigurado na yan?
Well, nothing is sure unless until mag-convene yung 28th Congress by July 28, no? Nothing is sure. Marami pang posible mangyari yan. Pero suffice it to say that as of now, he has the number.
Pila na kabuok, Senator? Ilan na?
I'm sure it's more than 13. We only need 13 to raise the leadership, di ba? 13 lang kailangan niya to maintain his hold on the Senate presidency. But I believe it's more than 13.